doctor, please talk to me. What is the situation? What is the condition of my son? I really need to know, please. Please.
Mr. Ogbonna, you have to calm down, okay? You have to be a man.
Please, I don't want to be a man. Because anytime you people ask somebody to be a man, it's because you have bad news. I'm a girl. I'm a babe. See me as a woman, doctor. Hello?
You be mumu.
Oh, come off it. You are a man and you have to be a man, okay? Your son is going to be requiring an open heart surgery. And the total cost of that surgery is going to be around 16 million naira. And we have to bring in, doctors from India and one other doctor from Sri Lanka. They are very, very good at what they do. With the condition of your son, if we don't perform that surgery within the next week, I'm afraid we might lose the boy. So it's something that we need to do like immediately, ASAP. Like right now, we need to start preparing for that surgery. Otherwise, it might be too late. We might lose the boy.
16 million naira. Where am I going to find that kind of money? This is going to be very tough. Thank you, doctor. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Baby, so that is what the doctor said, 16 million. Hell, it's very painful. I wish I had that money. I would have been able to save our son. But now that the money is not there, what do we do? Let's just be praying and hoping that a miracle happens. The doctor says that he has only 1 week to live if we don't perform the surgery as soon as possible. Let's just be praying because we don't have the money.
Wait, my husband, are you high on cheap drugs? I don't understand you. Sometimes your brain will be working anti-clockwise. They said that you should bring 16 million to save our son's life. You are running a Forex investment company. Your investors have invested 25 million within the last month. Like right now, you have 25 million naira available investors' money. And you are telling me you don't have 16 million. I don't understand. Did you go to school at all? Is 25 million not bigger than 16 million? Can't you remove the 16 million inside the investors' money and use it to save our son? So, my son's life is hanging on the balance. A son I carried in my tummy for 9 months and pushed out. Normal delivery at the hospital. I pushed him out of my private parts. His life is hanging on the balance and you're telling me you don't have money. You better go and bring out 16 million right now and save our son's life. If not, you won't like what will happen to you in this household.
Wait, Grace, I don't understand you anymore. You are just threatening my life. Is the 16 million my money? It is investors' money. You said it with your own mouth. And this is a company that I have run for 2 years consistently, paying them returns on investment as at when due without any excuses. I have built a reputation for myself. Apart from the fact that I've built a reputation for myself in the business world, I am a reverend in church. Highly respected. Everybody believes me when I say something. And you expect me to take people's money and go and use it, money that does not belong to me? I cannot do that.
Mumu, not too much.
Let me tell you something. You left all the states in the country. You came to Delta State to marry a proper warrior robo girl. When I go show you robo craze, your brain go reset. What is wrong with you, Ogbonna? Other Igbo boys that I know, they are always very sharp. You are just foolish. You don't have sense. So you will put the life of your 10-year-old son at risk. The only child that we have managed to give birth to, you will jeopardize his life to appease investors that you don't even know. Investors that don't even care about you. People that you don't know personally. People that you know that even if you spend their money, nothing will happen. Ponzi schemes have been collapsing all these years. Nobody has been brought to justice. You want to jeopardize your son's life for that? What do you want to gain? Even those your investors, if they hear that you had to sacrifice your son's life to appease them, they will laugh at you. Nonsense. See, if you allow our son to go, you will follow him. My son will not go to the great beyond alone. You will follow him. and I will narrate you all over the world. I will drag you on social media. I will drag your entire family. I will tell the whole world that you use our son for money rituals. Nonsense. Because it is money rituals now. You want to let go of our son's life to keep 25 million that does not belong to you, your family members, or people that you know. All those people that put their money in your hands, don't they have sense? Don't they watch Victor Isibor reviews that tells them not to give their money to anybody? Oh, they foolishly gave their money. Now the consequences is coming now. They have to be prepared for it. Oh yes. Because when you give your money to people to take care of it, even when they have good intentions, they can run into trouble. They will use your money to solve their problem. There are non-custodial projects that Victor Isibor is advertising in the WhatsApp group in the link of this description of this video. So let me tell you, you will use their money to save our son's life. Shut down the website. The office address that you have on ABC Road, we'll shut it down. We have moved office. Let them cry to government. Government is always warning people against investment platforms that are not regulated, especially Forex that you are running. So they cannot cry to government. Government will not listen to them. Those people will not even cry to anybody. NBA Forex collapsed. What happened? Barra Finance collapsed. What happened? Heaven will not fall. It's just one of those things. If you gather yourself after now and create another Forex platform, those people, Ponzi runs in their blood, they will still come and invest. So the life of our son is very important to me. Okay? Nonsense.
Do they use your generation to play?
Wait, oh. Come to think of it, my wife has a very, very valid point, oh. It is the truth, oh. All these people now, okay, wait, if I decide to run away with these people's money, not only the 16 million, the entire 25 million that they have invested, what will happen? Nothing will happen. If they take the matter to the authorities will tell them, didn't we warn you? And majority of these people, they are addicted to losses. They have been interacting with Ponzi schemes for a very long time, so they will not see it as a big deal. They will just move on to the next one. They will be embarrassed to even tell anybody that they gave their money to anybody. When somebody like Victor Isibor on Victor Isibor Reviews channel is warning people against custodial projects, so who will they cry to? They will not cry to anybody. In the description of this video now, there's a group link that shows people non-custodial projects. So it's not a big deal. After all, I ran this project for 2 successful years, paying returns on investment steadily, without defaulting. Even God Almighty knows that this one now, my hands are tied. I cannot risk losing my only child, my son, my heir, the person that will carry on my family name. I will lose him just because I want to please some Ponzi addicts that have decided to give their money to a custodial project like mine. I can't do that. I will now displease my beautiful wife, Grace, so that when I want to touch her tonight in bed, she will say she will not allow me to touch her. I'll be suffering myself because of investors who are Ponzi addicts, who are out there having fun. They don't even care about me. I beg you, let me go and pay for this surgery and save my son's life. I will use 16 million to save my son's life. The rest 9 million, I'll use it to fly my family out for a vacation after the successful surgery. Nonsense. It's true, my wife is a very wise woman. After doing this one now, when we now come back from that vacation refreshed, I'll now open another website. Yes, I'll give it another name. The top leaders that worked with me before, I have their WhatsApp numbers. I'll reach out to them. They will still bring the mugu. They will bring all the victims back. After all, Ponzi schemes that fail, it is the same set of people that fall victim of all the Ponzi schemes that fail. One person will fall victim of MMM. The same person will go and fall victim of BitClub Advantage, BitConnect. The same people, the same victims every time. So let me save my son and enjoy life with my beautiful wife, Grace.
My handsome husband, Wokoma, look as a man is very handsome. handsome, good-looking, my cute Prince Charming. It has been 6 months after we spent these people's money to save our son's life. Our son is happy, he's healthy, he's living his normal life. The people have cried on the WhatsApp group, they have dried their tears, they have moved on to other projects. Some of them have even fallen to another Ponzi scheme since then. Has everyone fallen? Is this not me and you living our lives freely, enjoying ourselves? Now you see you made the right decision. So when we come from this vacation, go and open a new Ponzi for them. This one, don't do legit again. Legit does not favor us. Do full-blown Ponzi. If they will not listen to the warnings of Victor Isibor, let them continue to do custodial projects. After all, you were very honest with them. It is circumstances that made you to fail them. Welcome to the club.
My dear wife, this is a lesson to everybody. Many Ponzi schemes did not start as Ponzis. The management or CEO, they run into one problem or the other. In their bid to salvage the situation, they will now Ponzify the system. It is not my fault. It is not my fault. Okay? I had to do what I had to do to save my son. Okay? Don't blame the player. Blame the game, baby. Now, baby, come to daddy. Come to daddy. Let's have some fun. Forget all those people that have lost money. They have moved on with their lives. I love you, baby.
Thank you.